Hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Sergey. I'm the owner of Architectural Mall, and we have some exciting news to share with you guys. We recently acquired a company, Fischer and Jirouch, that was based out of Cleveland, and we had moved all of their molds and assets over to our yard now, and everything that they manufactured in gypsum plaster, we are now able to do that in gypsum plaster, in our cast fiberglass, our polymer stone, and light cast, as well as our FRP. Everything that they manufactured, acanthus corbels and leaves, lion's head statues, decorative molding, decorative trim, decorative statues, fireplace mantle surrounds, everything now is available through Architectural Mall in virtually all of our materials. We're going to share some more products that we offer now with that line, and we can't wait to help you guys on your next project. Thanks for following us, and stay tuned.